This is on. While my inks are out, I'm just going to play a little bit with my inks. I've got a brush, I've got a dip pen. I'm going to try and use a limited palette. So I've got Antelope brown, a raw sienna, and an orange. And I'm just going to play here. I've stuck down this with, this is just a silicone mat you put in your oven when you bake. So I like that because when I use my heat gun, it doesn't do anything to my background there. If I use my heat gun to take off that or whatever floats your boat. So I've got this and I've got my water. So I'm thinking of making a little landscape. I will just see what comes out. I'm just going to wet my paper and then we will see what happens. Okay, so for now I'm just going to drop in. Just be careful, these inks are very, very potent. I'm just going to drop in a little bit of my Antelope brown there where I maybe think my horizon line will lie. And a little bit of my raw sienna on the bottom and on the top there. And then just a touch of my orange in there. And then I'm going to use my, let me just see, just want a touch of my more of a depth line there. And then I'm just going to use this. You can even use a bamboo skewer. I usually use a bamboo skewer. I haven't got a nice one with a sharp point at the moment. So I'm just going to use this pen. And that's my horizon line. And I'm just going to take this pen and make myself some. Remember, it can suck up a little bit of your paints as well. I'm just going to make myself some stalks and tree stalks and stuff. That can maybe be even in front of this open areas here. You can even take a little bit of your rubbing alcohol 92%. And you can maybe drop in a little bit of that as well. My paper buckled a little bit, so I just want to pick up some of the. Let me just do that. I just want that dark areas to come to this side. So that's all you can do. You can just play and enjoy yourself and make something nice for you. I mean, these are just experiments, so I like to try and see if it works, and if it doesn't, I should usually paint over it, but okay, this paper you can't, but you can just throw it away if it's really a big problem for you, or you can use it as a collage in something else. So you can see you could get a lot of textures and stuff going there into your background. So I'm just going to quickly dry this, and then as soon as this is dry, I will come and show you how it looks. Just want to pick up a little bit of that puddled ink there. I'm just dabbing it here and there to make a little bit of more of a textured area here in front. That area came a little bit flat for me, so I'm just going to take a little bit of my Antelope brown on this pen of mine, and I'm just going to give myself a more pertinent, prominent horizon line there, and it almost looks like reeds in front of water or something for me now. But as I said, you can play along, and you can, please try this, and if it doesn't work, just try again next time, you know. You won't know if you don't do it and if you don't try it. I went a little bit overboard with all my lines that I regret now, but now I know next time I will try and be more discreet. Okay, now I want to show you how nice this silicone mat that you actually use in an oven, or if, you know, how nice it works, because now you don't have to worry about your table or anything underneath. You just heat up your strips and pull them off while they are still hot, and it just works like a charm. Usually when I am too lazy to use the heat gun to warm up my strips to take them off, I usually peel the paper somewhere around my border, and it doesn't look nice. But I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, I will definitely see you next time. You must have a lovely day and take care, and try these things please, and let me know in the comments if there's something you want to know. If there's something I can help with, be free to ask. So I will definitely reply, and take care.